Now to a health alert for parents. A local school district will require students to test negative for COVID-19 before returning from winter break.
And a children's medication shortage now prompting some pharmacies to limit how much you can buy. We have team coverage for you this morning on what you need to know with Melanie Olwick and Aisha Khan. Mel, we'll start with you.
That's right, Steve. Not an unprecedented move in many school systems, but it feels like a bit of a throwback. Now D.C. does have a COVID center in every single ward where people can come to get vaccines, PCR tests, and also take-home tests. So families of D.C. public school students are welcome to come to one of the COVID centers. They're also handing out these COVID tests at the schools for every D.C. public school student. The test kits are being distributed today and Wednesday at the schools. Students and staff must take the test 24 hours before the first day back from break, which is Tuesday, January 3rd. A negative result has to be uploaded online in order for students and staff to return from winter break. RSV, flu, and COVID-19 cases are filling doctors' offices and urgent care centers. And with family and friends making plans to gather in the midst of this surge of winter viruses, doctors are advising people to celebrate cautiously.
If you're going to be celebrating the holidays with a grandparent or someone who's ill or has an underlying condition, you really need to think twice about coming in close contact with them if you or your children have symptoms or tested positive. And if you find that, you're starting to feel sick, you're already at the party, put on your masks, go away from those vulnerable individuals, because you don't want to turn the holiday into, a tragic story.
Now, most recently, D.C. public schools also required a negative COVID test to return from the Thanksgiving holiday break. We did reach out to other school systems in the area, and none that we know of so far are actually mandating a negative COVID test. However, they are advising people to stay home if sick, and also they're recommending COVID testing before returning to school. We'll send it back to you.
All right, Mel, thank you. That brings us to our Fox 5 Live Insta poll. Today we are asking, should students have to have a negative COVID test before returning from winter break? And this has been pretty consistent throughout the morning. 60% of you saying no. You can vote by scanning the QR code on your screen, visiting our website, fox5dc.com, or downloading the free Fox 5 app.
All right, in the meantime,